In this question, we will talk about secret, as we know that whenever we want to add some critical information or password inside the deployment stateful set or daemon set or any other resources, we always use secret. Let me create this lab here. So I need to copy and paste over my terminal. Okay, my lab is prepared. So in this question, first we need to create a secret with this name EX280-secret in cloud project. It means that first we need to go to cloud project and the name of the key should be mysql underscore password and the value should be Red Hat 123, whatever the value it will given. So first thing first, let's go to cloud project, OC project cloud, OC get all, and there is some application running and which is having issue. I don't care. Control L. As per the question, first I need to create the secret. OC create secret, and now here there is no TLS or something, so we can create this secret with generic. Okay, OC create secret generic hyphen from literal equal to from literal or from file, whatever we want to use here, but here it is given as normal key, so we can use here literal. If it's given in the file, then we can use hyphen from file. Okay, but here we are using mysql pass and the password is equal to Red Hat 123, whatever the key and value, and hit enter. Here one can observe that I have not mentioned minus and namespace because I am already inside this project, and whenever we create a project, a same namespace will be created. We can check here OC get secret and the name is EX280-secret. Now this is created and it is created 22 seconds before, right? So let's move forward. This question is very easy, to be very honest. Now the second question is use secret in the project cloud. That's okay. I'm already in the cloud project. There is one pod already exists. It should use ext secret previously created. Application should produce the output. Again, it will ask us to produce the output. OC get all, and still it is in crash loop back off. Now once we execute this command OC get all, we get to know that we are running deployment, right? And in the previous step we created the secret, and how we can add the secret. If you have gone through my previous video, then I have mentioned that we always consume config map and secret with the help of environmental variable, right? The same thing is here. We can add OC set env hyphen from secret, right? We want to add the secret, or we can use hyphen from equal to secret slash ex280. This is my secret name, and where I want to add, I want to add this deployment just right here and press enter. Now you can see that it is running fine. If I execute the command OC get all, now I can see that my pod is running. And also you can execute the command OC get deployment, or I can use this control shift V minus O YAML grep minus IA5, and then I can use env. Now I can see here that in the environmental variable, I can see name MySQL user value from secret. He is MySQL user and the name is ext root blah 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 everything. Okay. This is how you can add. The other way is that if you forget this command, what you can do here, OC set env hyphen help and then head command. You can see that OC set env. This is my DC is for deployment config, but here we are using deployment. Maybe you can use here hyphen help grep secret, and you can see that the command is OC set env hyphen from secret and then deployment and then deployment name here. This is how you can complete this question.